Make sense? Number 8, values-based goals. Values-based goals, really quickly. When I turned 40, I'm 53 now. When I turned 40, I had no vision for 40. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't even really know who I was, so I decided to run a half marathon, which is a big deal because I'm not sporty spice. I didn't run. What I learned about myself is I don't like to run. I learned that you can do anything with the support of people and community, having a vision, breaking down the goal into bite-sized chunks. I finished the marathon, the half marathon, and I wanted my daddy, the biggest source of my father wound, I wanted him to be proud of me. So I called him to let him know, and he didn't call me back. The next month was my 40th birthday. I thought for sure I'll get a call or a card. He didn't call. The next week was his birthday, so I called him. He didn't answer, and he didn't call me back. Fast forward, 3 months went by because I realized that I had done enough therapy and reached out enough to know that I needed to allow him to be who he wanted to be in my life. Therapy said, do not be so addicted to love or the need to belong that you connect with people who are unhealthy for you. 3 months later, I got all these intuitive nudges. Call your dad, call your dad, call your dad. And I was like, I'm good. I don't need to call my dad. But I did. And I'm so glad I did because we had a conversation that was short, but it was honest. And he said, when are you going to come and see me, Cam? I love you. I got to say, I love you too, Dad. So good because it was almost a week to the day later that he unexpectedly died of a heart attack. You see, hope was insisting on a different outcome. I woke up with the thought of this the other day. It's like hope is active. Hope is alive. Like as we step into pursuing hope, hope pursues us. And I thought, something was looking out for me. Call your dad, because if I didn't call my dad and I still have this big gaping father wound, I wouldn't be able to stand here before you today and say, step into your healing. Step into your healing and activate hope. The biggest takeaway I have from that is forgive to be free. Folks, don't underestimate the power of forgiveness. As a leader, how you show up in the midst of change, whether it's good or bad, is going to be dependent on the clarity and the cleanliness of your heart. Is your heart calcified? Are you bitter? Self-pity, strife, envy, jealousy. I have all the reasons to be those things. And yet, when I started to do my healing, I started to overcome. Do you think that it impacts how I'm able to be a leader?